Hello everyone. Today we will go through the process of resetting your ScanAvenger SA1100 model, which is our 1D and 2D mini barcode scanner, to factory default settings while having it connected to your device through Bluetooth. This process is very simple and it will only take a couple of minutes from your time. The first step in doing this is removing ScanAvenger HID from your already existing Bluetooth connections. In case you never had the scanner paired with your device before, this will not be required, of course. You will then have to scan a sequence of barcodes in order to reset the scanner. What's amazing about the ScanAvenger barcode scanners is that you will be able to scan the following factory reset sequence directly from the screen and simply scan the barcodes one by one. Once you are done with scanning all 13 barcodes, you will notice that these two lights will start flashing blue, meaning that the devices are no longer paired. You will then have to go into the Bluetooth settings on your laptop or on the device that you're using and search for new connections. In the available connections list, you will identify the scanner by the ScanAvenger HID name and you will have to click or tap on it to connect. Once this is done, the lights will turn into a solid blue, confirming that the devices are now paired. You can simply test this by opening a notepad or the Word document as I did, clicking on it, and scanning any barcodes that you have around you. In case you need the factory reset steps in writing with the sequence of barcodes, simply send us an email at helpdesk@scanavenger.com and our support team that operates 24/7 will reply to you shortly. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you all a great day.